All right, guys, we are out here with the Z Fold 8 Ultra. And this is where I shot the 4K 60 video for the Z Fold 8. And I want to go ahead and bring this phone out as well. And I'm going to walk around with it like I did the other one, the regular Fold 8. I'm going wide, I'm going the normal lens here. These technically have the same cameras, just minus the telephoto lens. So you get to see how this phone would do walking around if you were going to get this one as well. So pretty excited to go ahead and show you the zoom. This one has more zoom capabilities also because it actually has a telephoto lens. Now at 4K 60, you can only get 15 times zoom, which is actually still really good. I'm going to show that to you in a second here. But I wanted to go ahead and just pan around and show you just how well this phone does too. And again, once again, it's a beautiful day out this time of the hour, but it's still super windy. So I have a wind filter on and I have an external mic, but I will take it off like I did in the Z Fold 8's wides video. And I will show you that as well. But I really like how snappy the zoom is on all these phones. But check this out. Let's go ahead and zoom 2 times, then 3 times, then 10 times, and then 15. And then we can go wide quickly. I like how snappy that is when it comes to the zoom. The telephoto lens is cool, man. I understand why people might like it, but it's just not a necessity for me. I don't see the purpose of me having the telephoto lens as a primary. Like, it's just not something that will make me say, oh, I'm not buying that because it doesn't have a telephoto lens. So, but that's all on the user. That's all on the user. I'll give you some more footage on this car too. I did put out a couple more videos with the sponsors that I have for it. So I'll go ahead and show you that. But yeah, I just wanted to show you this. And I'm going to remove the microphone like I did before with the with the Fold 8 wide. And I'm going to show you how this phone sounds on a windy day. And when I checked the footage after I had posted it, because I just uploaded it, no edits on this. I'm just going to upload it directly to YouTube, no cuts, no anything, because it's a 4K sample at 60 frames per second HDR, like I want to show you with the other one as well. So I'm going to remove the microphone and show you what it sounds like as well with the microphone not plugged in. So you can see the difference, if there's a difference, if this phone handles the audio better on a windy day, just coming straight out of the phone. So let me go ahead and pause real quick here. Now I've got the microphone unplugged and you can see it's flashing here because it is not hooked up. And how does this audio sound in comparison to the Fold 8, the regular smaller Fold 8? As I noticed, it was kind of low on that one. When I took it out, and it's a windy day out. It handled the wind fairly well, but it was just still kind of low. So you can tell that it was really trying hard to filter out the wind, but it also took away quality from the voice. So let me plug it back in. All right, we are plugged back in, and I'm sure the audio really sounds good now. The DJI mics are so good. I have the mic mini I'm using for my car now. In my car, and I also have the DJI mic 2 in there, but I don't use that very often because it's hooked to my other DJI camera. But the DJI mic mini is a DJI mic mini is what I'm using. I have the mic mini 2 at my house that I use for videos when I'm there, and I don't want to use the big boom mic. But all in all, folks, this is a 4K 60 sample, just like I did on the Fold 8, and I just want you to check it out, man. It's a beautiful day out. You know, nothing going on. Just wanted to show you how well this phone would do, and the telephoto lens definitely is helpful. But as far as quality goes, you let me know what you think of the quality of the 10x and the 15x zoom on here. I think the camera quality on this is superb, just like the Fold 8. They technically have, again, the same cameras. One just has a telephoto lens. And with that telephoto lens, you can get more out of the zoom at 4K 60. And 4K 30, you should be able to get a lot of zoom out of this one, a lot more zoom out of this one. I haven't tested 4K 30, but I'll test it at some point. I'll check it to make sure. But if you've already tested it, let me know what the zoom is on this video because I haven't tested it yet. I also want to try an 8K video just to kind of see exactly, you know, how well it's going to do for 8K. But looking at all the different colors and things like that, I love that they have a blue, a green, and a red trash can right here, or place to throw trash in. The color of the buildings, the color of the Quicksilver, that's the silver bullet right there. But yeah, man, I'm pretty excited to bring you some more content on the Fold 8 Ultra. It's actually a great phone. What do you think about 4K 60 at HDR?